My name is Brenda. I started a business called TFC Solutions after enrolling in Dominique Brown's 30-day credit repair agency program last year. What I loved about this program was that I was able to accomplish so much within a couple of weeks. Like, I decided on a business name, I opened a business bank account, I registered with the state, obtained my EIN from the IRS, set up a virtual business address, purchased my domain name. Like, these were goals that I had all year long for 2019, but because of the program, I was finally able to check off my to-do list. I also love that Dominique had weekly live Q&A sessions that lasted at least an hour. It felt like you were receiving one-on-one coaching and support because of the intimacy of the sessions and being able to get your questions answered immediately. In addition, the program included a private Facebook group where, again, you're getting constant feedback from not only Dominique, but also the other people enrolled. What I didn't like is that after missing a couple of weeks, I felt like I was so behind that I couldn't catch up, and that kept me from picking it back up and going at my own pace. I do have a full-time job as well as another business that I co-own, so life happened and I didn't make the adjustments necessary to finish. But it's a new year, I'm laser focused, and I'm excited to do the work this time to complete the program.